Hi, this is Srinivas. Welcome back to my channel KSR English. Now we are going to discuss about present perfect tense. Okay, in detail. Present perfect tense. Okay, let us see the structure. Subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Here V3 means past participle. Past participle. Okay. Let us see the condition. Okay. To indicate completed activities in the immediate past. To indicate completed activities in the immediate past. That means just finished activities. Just finished activities. Let us see. Examples. I have written a novel just now. I have written a novel just now. Just. Okay. So this is a just finished action. This is just finished action. So I have written. See, I singular first person. First person singular. I. So that's why we have to use have. See, I, we, they have to use have. She, he, it have to use has. Just remember, I, we, they are you. Second person. Okay. So you have to use have. Have plus V3. She, he, it. Third person singular. So you have to use has. Okay. Now I. So that's why have plus V3. V3. Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. So V1, V2, V3. So written. So have plus V3. Okay. I have written a novel just now. Okay. Here it is indicated just finished action. Let us see one more example. He has just gone out. He has just gone out. He. That's why use has. He has. She has. It has. Okay. So he has just gone. Same. Go, went, gone. So gone here V3. So he has just gone out. And one more example. John has just finished the work. Okay. And one more example. My mother has just cooked the food. Okay. These are the examples for the first condition. In this first condition, you have to use present perfect tense. Now, let us see second condition. To express a past action with no definite time. Okay. To express a past action with no definite time, no specific time. Let us see examples. I have never known him to be angry. I have never known him to be angry. That means I have never seen as a angry person. Okay. So in this condition, you have to use present perfect tense. I have never known him to be angry. And one more example. I have written a grammar book. Okay. There is no definite time. When I have written, I don't know. We don't know. So that's why you have to use present perfect tense. Okay. She has watched the movie. We don't know when she has watched the movie. Yes, she has watched the movie. So here there is no specific time mentioned. Okay. In that case, in that condition, you have to use present perfect tense. And one more example. You have played cricket. Okay. So to express a past action, no definite time or no specific time. In this case, we have to use present perfect tense. Now, third condition, to describe past events When you think more, they affect in the present than of the action itself. Okay. To describe past events, when you think more, they affect in the present than of the action itself. Okay. That means the past action that happened in the past, but that result, that effect still now present now. Okay, it's going down. So that effect now is going. That action was happened in the past, but that result or that effect now you are having. So in this condition, you have to use present perfect tense. Let us see example. I have cut my finger. Have cut. I have cut my finger. That was happened in the past. But that result, but still the injury is there or it is bleeding. Okay, it is bleeding. So that effect is there. So that's why you have to use present perfect tense. I have cut my finger. Okay. One more example. I have finished my work. I have finished my work. It was also happened in the past, but as I have finished my work, now the result, I am free. I am free. There is no work because I have just finished my work. I have finished my work. Okay, that result, I am free. Okay, so one action happened in the past, but the result still you are having. Okay, in this case, you have to use present perfect tense. Last condition, you have some keywords, that is adverbs used in present perfect tense. Okay, what are they? Let us see. Yet, just now, already, ever, never, till now, so far, for, since, this day, this week, this month, this year, this day. These are all some keywords or some adverbs. Okay. Before them, we have to use present perfect tense. Okay. Let us see example. I have just met him. I have just met him. Have plus V3. Just met him. Just is an adverb. Okay. See, whenever you see these adverbs, okay, they have to use in the present perfect tense. Whenever you see this adverbs in the sentence, just remember you have to use present perfect tense. I have just met him. Have you ever seen tiger? Have you ever seen tiger ever? Okay. So have plus V3. Have you ever seen? This is also present. Answer. I have never seen tiger. Never. This is also adverb. So I have never seen tiger. This is present perfect tense. He has not yet come. He has not yet come. He has not yet come. So yet. This is present perfect tense. In these conditions, you have to use present perfect tense.